How to tell the difference between a halogen and a halide. What is a halogen and what is a halide ion? So we're going to start by looking at what a halogen is. So in these gas jars we have fluorine, F2, chlorine, Cl2, bromine, Br2 and iodine, I2. And these are all halogens. So what is a halogen and what is a halide ion? So in this picture we have fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. The halogens are the elements that are found in group 7 of the periodic table. These are all halogens and they're all found in group 7 of the periodic table. They exist as pairs of atoms, so fluorine is F2, chlorine is Cl2, bromine is Br2 and iodine is I2. And the reason for that is they form a covalent bond between atoms. So chlorine has 7 electrons in its outer shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when it forms a covalent bond with another atom of chlorine, it has a share of 8 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all the halogens, F2, Cl2, Br2 and I2 go around in pairs. So NaCl, sodium chloride, common salt, contains chloride, and chloride is a halide ion. So in sodium chloride, the sodium gives its electron, which is marked here as a green cross, to the chlorine. The chlorine now has 8 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And because it has 8 electrons in its outer shell, it's gained an electron, it's negative. So halide ions always end their name with "ide", so it would be fluoride, chloride, bromide and iodide. And halide ions are always single negatively charged. So fluoride is F-, chloride is Cl-, bromide would be Br-, and iodide is I-. Halide ions can only exist in a compound. So halogens exist as elements, these type of things, in gas jars, you can buy them. But halide ions can only exist in a compound. So you can't have chloride ions in a bottle, but you can have sodium chloride. You can't have iodide ions in a bottle, but you can have sodium iodide. So as elements, the colours of the halogens, as in the previous slides, is chlorine is kind of yellow-green, bromine is orange, iodine is purple. So when dissolved in water, chlorine is a very pale yellow or green colour, bromine is orange, and iodine is brown or black depending on the concentration. However, halide ions, so chloride, bromide and iodide, are colourless in solution. So if you have a solution of sodium chloride, salt water, it has no colour. And the reason it has no colour is because the sodium ion, Na+, is colourless, and the chloride ion, Cl-, is also colourless.